Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Have you ever received notes from a sales calls or pasted an entire address into one cell and thought, how do I turn this into structured data? Free text in spreadsheets is powerful, but if it's unstructured, it's almost unusable. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Sheetgo's AI data processor to automatically convert free text into structured, organized data, extracting names, companies, emails, addresses, and more without manual copy pasting. So let's get started. So the first use case that we're going to be working on is converting free text to structured data for sales team. The sales team is constantly capturing valuable lead information from discovery calls, web forms, and networking events. To save time, they often dump all the details into a single notes field in a spreadsheet. The information is safe, but it represents a classic free text to structured data challenge that makes it impossible to sort, filter, or analyze manually. Now, the goal would be to transform this into proper clean structured database with separate columns for each piece of information, making it ready for analysis. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is heading over to Sheetgo. You can get started with the link in the description. And the first step would be to come into the Sheetgo interface and clicking on new and clicking on blank workflow. Now Sheetgo provides us a couple of different ways in which we can get started with our first workflow. One would be to type it in natural language, click on generate, and let AI handle the workflow creation for you. The second one would be to select from popular use cases, or you can always click on the use classic builder. After which we're going to be clicking on add to workflow and clicking on automation. The first step would be to select your source, which is going to be Google Sheets in our use case, and I'm going to be selecting my July lead notes spreadsheet. And once I select it, I'm going to click on done. And in a couple of seconds, my spreadsheet will be loaded. Now you can either import a tab or all your tabs, or in case you want to import a specific range of data, you can click on data range, select the tab, and mention in the range you'd like to import. But for now, I'm going to be importing the entire tab, and I'm going to click on next step. Now for the data processor, we're going to be selecting process with AI. Now the prompt that I'm going to be putting in for this particular use case is going to go like, from the text in the lead notes column, create new columns called contact name, company, email, and product interest. Analyze the notes to find each piece of information and extract it into the corresponding new column. So this is going to be the prompt that we're going to be giving it to, convert our free text into structured data. And once we are done, I'm going to click on the next step. The destination, that is where you want the processed data to be, that's going to be in our Google Sheet. Now you can either create a new file, or you can create it in the existing file, which in our case is going to be what we're going to be doing, is putting it into our existing file. I'm going to select that and click on done. And once you are done, you can click on review automation, where you can see this is the source where your data is coming in. There's some processing happening, and then there is an output where your processed data is generated. So once this is done, I'm going to click on finish and run. And here you can see the workflow execution has completed successfully. You can either view the data inside of your Sheetgo interface, or you could head back to your spreadsheet and see that there is a new tab that's been added. And you can see, based on the lead notes column that was present here previously, it has now successfully created 4 new columns as mentioned in the prompt. And you can see it's generated a contact name, a company name, email, and the product interest. This is all extracted automatically, which turns your messy notes into data that you can sort, filter, or even import into your CRM. So the next use case that we're going to be working on is for HR and recruiting, where the HR team is managing a flood of applicants, where critical candidate information is buried inside of large texts, creating a difficult free text to structured data problem for the hiring team. So we're going to be using Sheetgo once again to basically allow the hiring team to instantly sort, search, and compare candidates inside of their Google Sheet. So we're going to be creating a spreadsheet like that for them using Sheetgo. So I'm going to be heading over to my Sheetgo interface. I'm going to be clicking on new, and I'm going to click on blank workflow. Once I do that, I'm going to be clicking on use the classic builder, click add to workflow, and click on automation. Once I'm in here, I'm going to be specifying Google Sheets as the source. I'm going to click on select file. I'm going to search for my applicant tracker sheet, I'm going to select it and click on done. And once I've imported my sheet, I'm going to click on next step, where we have to now select the processor, which in this case is going to be processed with AI. Now the prompt in the prompt box is going to be looking something like this, where from the unstructured text in the applicant profile column, create new columns called candidate name, years of experience, key skills, and applied for role. Analyze each profile to find these details and extract them. So this is going to be the prompt that we're going to be using for this use case. And once I'm done, I'm going to click on next step. And now we have to specify the destination, which I'm going to once again have it in my existing file. And Sheetgo automatically fetches the previously searched file. That's going to be applicant tracker. I'm going to select that and click on done. And once this tab's created, I'm going to click on review automation. Everything's good to go. And I'm going to click on finish and run. And here you can see the workflow execution has finished successfully, and I'm going to head back to my original spreadsheet, where I can see that there is a new tab created here. And you can see on successful execution, it creates 3 new columns for me with the candidate name, the years of experience, key skills, and the applied for role. And it successfully generates individual applicant profiles that the HR team can use for analysis. The third and final use case that we're going to be working on is for operations and logistics, where the logistics team has a list of delivery addresses, where the addresses are jumbled together in a single field. And in short, they want to separate it out and parse it into a single string of text into structured address components that can be used in shipping and logistics softwares. So we're going to be heading back over to Sheetgo. I'm going to head back to the main interface, and the first step that's going to be is to click on new and click on blank workflow, where I'm going to be using the classic builder. Click on add to workflow and click on automation. Once I'm in here, I'm going to specify Google Sheets. I'm going to click on select file, and I'm going to be pasting in the customer address list spreadsheet. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on done here, and it loads in the tabs. And I'm going to click on next step, where we're going to be selecting process with AI as the data processor. In the prompt box, I'm going to be pasting in the following prompt that says, from the full address column, extract the street address, city, state, and zip code into 4 new columns called street, city, state, and zip. And once we are done with this part, I'm going to click on next step, where now I'm going to be selecting the destination. That's going to be Google Sheets. I'm going to be selecting existing file, and it's automatically going to be fetching in customer address list. I'm going to select that sheet. I'll click on done. And before you can finish and run, you can always review the automation. I have my source, some processing, and the destination. So once we are done, we can click on finish and run. And here you can see the workflow execution has successfully completed. And if we head back to our spreadsheet, we can see that a new tab has been added. And here you can see on successful execution, Sheetgo has seamlessly integrated the new columns. That's going to be street, city, state, and zip. Therefore, making all the key details like the street, city, state, and zip ready for use for any logistics platform. So there you have it. With just one workflow, Sheetgo's AI can unlock the value in your messy text notes, addresses, or applicant summaries. If you're ready to convert free text into structured, database-ready columns, try it out yourself. You can get started with Sheetgo with the link in the description, and you can also check out the blog that's linked below. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.